Alright, so it is Tuesday, November 28th, 2017, and I just got back from school right now, and it's about 4:14 p.m. right now, and I decided to go to my friend's house to check the Rheem per stage, and I realized the compressor has been replaced. It is now running really quiet. Got a seal fan motor. It's got a brand new copeland scroll compressor. I remember once it was really loud, and now this thing's quieter than I thought. The suction light's cold, sweaty, liquor binds, a little bit warm. This is a 3.5 ton from 2011. So it's an R410A unit. There's a Goodman right here. It's from 2011 and it's a 3 ton. It's not running. This looks like it hasn't been running for a while. Yeah, this is the Rheem Person series. These are their neighbors' air conditioning. This is a 2013, it's a 3 ton. So, this is a Rude 2017 and it's a 3 ton unit. So it's a brand new unit. And this is a heat pump. So yeah, the Rheem's got a brand new copeland scroll compressor. There it is. It's Comfort Star. So yeah, I guess the Rheem's got a new copeland scroll compressor. It's a Rheem per stitch. This is the Rheem per stitch series. It's a 3.5 ton unit from 2011. And I guess that's it. Over and out.